Hooters, famous for their wings. Before I attempt anything in my kitchen, I'm here to sample for myself what makes them so good.
I really need a bib for this. She's giving me a bib. Good. Yeah. Juicy. Like the crispiness of the breading. A little spicy because they're medium. Pretty good, Hooters.
So how much did it cost?
With tip included, we have a total of $54, and that was for 20 wings, 2 draft beers. Now, I wonder, what could it cost to do it at home? Let's go find out. Come on, let's go.
So all of this is very simple.
We need some chicken wings, blue cheese, and some hot sauce. Let's go get it. Let's go.
I did also add in some beers because it was buy one, get one.
So welcome to my kitchen. I feel like we've already been on an adventure together. We went to Hooters, we got inspired by those amazing wings, then we went to the grocery store and picked out the ingredients that we needed, and now we're here in my kitchen. And we're gonna try to do this at home. No, we are gonna do this at home. Just wait and see. So let's start with the wings. Now, to get that irresistible crunch, we need this dry mix. We're gonna combine some flour and some spices, and then we're gonna add them to the chicken wings. So let's get started. I need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which I have right here, 2 teaspoons of paprika. I say paprika, some people say paprika. Put it in the comments below which one you think it is. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we just need to whisk this all together to get it all mixed and blended. Oh, blending. So I'm gonna add the chicken here to this big bowl. And then I'm gonna take our dry mix and add it to the chicken. And just put it in there. So we wanna just make sure that the wings are coated real well with the dry ingredients. Just check the ones on the bottom too. I just want to make, oh, they're really coated very well. Look at that. Cool. So let's make the hot sauce. This is really easy, guys. It's just 1/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of hot sauce. Perfect. So now I'm gonna put it on the stove, bring it to a low simmer. At Hooters, they ask you, do you want blue cheese or do you want ranch? I want blue cheese. I love it. I love it. I really do. But I don't think that they make their blue cheese from scratch there. Just saying. You can kind of tell. So I'm gonna show you how to make it at home. It's delicious. And just a reminder, you don't have to take notes. I will put everything, all the ingredients, what you need in the description below, so you can just print that out, copy, paste, and it's yours. So we're gonna start with the blue cheese. I'm gonna use all of the blue cheese. Some mayonnaise here, and sour cream, milk, lemon juice, white wine vinegar, Worcestershire sauce. Can anyone really say that right? No, no one can say that right. Some minced garlic, salt, and pepper. All right, let's get it whisked up. Whisking really good. All right, let's give it a taste test. Delicious! The thing with like the homemade, it doesn't have like that aftertaste that you sometimes get. And I think that with like any homemade dressing that you do, they're just more delicious when you make them fresh. This is so good. Oh my God. All right. Blue cheese dressing, done. All right, so it's time to fry these bad boys. Now I've separated them by size, so I am going to do these bigger ones here first. And I want to avoid overcrowding my fryer so they cook evenly. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook them until they have an internal temperature of 165. I'm not sure how long that's gonna take, so I'm gonna use a thermometer and make sure that they're there, but we're gonna get started. Stipple mid. All right, let's check the temperature. Give them a crack. Yeah. All right. Yeah, 165. That took about 8 minutes, and we had the temperature at like 375. They're nice and golden brown. Look how beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see that? Love it. So all our wings are now freshly fried. Whoop, whoop. And we gotta add our hot sauce that we made. We simmered, remember that? We added the butter, you know, remember that? Which camera am I looking at? I don't know, sorry. All right, so let's add them on here. Put them in to, this is hot, isn't it? Add our sauce. Mix it all around. Ooh, I got a whiff of it. Went up my nose. It's a little spicy. Woo! So all my sauce is on the wingy lingy wings. Let's get it plated. I can show you here. Oh my gosh. They're just spicy, so it like the spice is going out my nose. Oh, they just, I mean, they're coated perfectly. Oh, delicious. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So they look beautiful. Look, look, look. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And this was a really simple meal, to be honest. Didn't have a lot of ingredients. It didn't take a lot of time. Love it. So let's talk math for a second. After some complicated math. For 2 draft beers, 20 wings, the blue cheese dressing, and we added some carrots. We paid $12.50 to make this at home versus $54 that we paid at Hooters yesterday. So wow, big difference. We know it was good, you know, we know it's gonna be cheaper at home, and it is more convenient to go sit at a table, but I have to say, I mean, these look delicious. So why don't we try? Why don't we give it a try and see how we did as far as the flavor profile? Oh wow, oh wow. Spicy, not super crunchy, but I just got these out and I just sauced them. So they have the crunchiness. I'll give them that. But these are delicious. The blue cheese dressing, holy cow. You can make delicious wings at home. They're gonna be a lot cheaper to make at home. So it's your decision what you wanna do, but I just wanna show you, you can do it. So enjoy cooking more at home. I'm gonna go feed my face because these are so good.
Oh, I always forget this part. Please subscribe